Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your workflow with Asana, full guide step by step clearly. To begin protecting your workflow with Asana, start by creating a clear project structure. Define your project goals to ensure clarity among team members. Next, set up a project in Asana by clicking the Create Project button. Choose between a blank project or a template that fits your needs. Once your project is created, organize tasks into sections to improve visibility. Add tasks that need to be completed, ensuring each is specific and actionable. Assign tasks to team members to clarify responsibilities. Set due dates for each task to keep your project on track and ensure timely completion. Utilize custom fields to track relevant information, such as priority or status. Incorporate subtasks for larger tasks to break them down into manageable steps. Use the comments section within each task for communication, keeping all information centralized. Regularly update task statuses, moving them from to-do to in progress and finally to completed. Utilize the calendar view to take advantage of Asana's timeline feature for a visual representation of your project flow. Establish recurring tasks for processes that happen regularly to streamline your workflow. Use templates for repetitive projects to save time and maintain consistency. Regularly review and adjust your project as needed based on progress and feedback. Educate your team on best practices for using Asana to enhance productivity. Utilize integration options with other tools to enhance your workflow further. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss and ensure ongoing access. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your workflow using Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.